So hi guys, we're back, and today I just want to show you guys how I get this quick beat for every day. This is the beat that you can take it to work, you could take it to church, anywhere you want to go. You want to look glammed up a little bit, look a little bit put together. This is what I do. It don't take that long. It takes like 15 minutes to do, but with all that is going on.
So you're asking Phyllis, what's going on? Breonna Taylor, chilling in her house, gunned down. Ahmaud Arbery, just jogging, gunned down. George Floyd, supposedly wrote a bad check, lynched to death. Modern day lynching. We are tired. Enough is enough.
I just want to take 30 seconds, just 30 seconds out of this video to have a moment of silence for all the Black kings and queens out here who have fallen because of the system, because of America, because of the police brutality, all the hatred, all the racism. It gotta end. So let's just take a moment of silence, and I'm be popping up some things on here for you guys to do. If you're not protesting, there's always other measures that you can take to be a part of this movement. So let me take this moment of silence. Let's get into this tutorial. So I'm showcasing some of my everyday products that I like to use. Some are Black owned, so stay tuned. I make sure I state that they are. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I hope you guys love this video. There's more content coming out, more hair, more makeup, more talks about other things that are beneficiary to my young adults. If you love the content, please share, subscribe, like, and comment. All right, love you guys.
Oh.